I invite you now to sit upright for this guided meditation, and let's take a nice long deep breath together. And now send the message to every muscle to relax and to let go. Relax and let go. Become aware of your feet and your calves and your thighs and send the message, relax, relax. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Relax the muscles in your chest. Just sending the message, relax and let go. Relax the muscles in your back, the upper, the middle, and the lower back. Feel your hands relaxing, your fingers open, receptive to the spirit within you, to the universal consciousness that you are. God being you. Become aware of your neck, relaxing the front and the back and the sides. Relaxing the muscles of your face, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your forehead and your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, relaxing and letting go. And now scanning your body and just seeing, is there still some place that needs to let go and relax? You might want to gently tense and release that part of your body. And now we move beyond our thinking by focusing on the breathing. Whenever your attention is focused on your breathing, then you're not thinking. Your mind can become still and you can experience presence. You can experience consciousness expressing as you. So let's bring our awareness now to our breathing and just feel the inhalation and the exhalation. And when your thoughts wander and you find yourself beginning to think, just bring them back to the breathing. At the end of the meditation, you can think all you want to. But for now, let's give us that inner rest of stillness and that tuning in to joy and power at the center of our being. So watching the breathing as it comes in and goes out. And now as the breath flows in, mentally think the words, God is. And as the breath flows out, I am. God is on the inhalation. I am on the exhalation. And now let's take a nice, long, deep breath. Just enjoy the quiet, enjoy the stillness. Perhaps notice what you're feeling and be present to whatever you're feeling. And imagine now at the center of your being, a little point of light grows brighter and brighter and brighter, filling your whole being, filling the room where you are, filling the whole space where you're living or where you are right now. And imagine that light encompasses the entire planet. And that light streams beyond the planet throughout the galaxy and throughout the universe. There is one universal consciousness, and you are part of that one living consciousness, that one living being. And all friends and family are uplifted in this awareness. All people whose names have been submitted to the Unity Center for Prayer are uplifted in this consciousness. And every person on the planet itself, all the animals, the earth, all of life, included in this one consciousness. And we trust that healing and peace and joy and harmony, wisdom and guidance, and all good is influencing everyone and everything on the planet right now. And we're grateful for that. And now we bring our awareness back to the body, back to the place where we're meditating. We let our eyes adjust to the lighting. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.